Hi, Nick here. It's MedTech World 2025. Kallol Sen is here with me.
Great, pleasure to
Great.
have in mind. Yeah,
And coming with all of your advice.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Great. You've managed to engage with a number of startups in your
Yeah, yeah,
career, in your
yeah,
current profession,
yeah,
and you've taken them through the early phases.
yeah,
But we're looking territorially at the moment.
yeah.
We're looking, I guess, line of questioning: is it better to target the juggernaut, to target the US market first, or how are your startups making that decision?
Yeah, I think it's all about kind of where they find the best market fit and where they find the best kind of have the demand. I think the bigger markets are US and EU, and then also I think there are requirements in the other markets as well. But yeah, I think the when a startup kind of they look for the markets, they kind of see whether they have their interests as well as kind of the funding and everything kind of it relates to that. But yeah, I think majorly the countries I think they see the more interest in US, in EU, in a lot of countries now also have like in Asian markets as well. I think a lot of companies they are getting more tractions from Asian markets. So I
MedQ
think
compliance,
yeah,
serving startups in Singapore.
yeah, we have been serving startups in more or less in multiple markets in Asian markets, the US, EU. We are based out of India, Bangalore, and but then we are serving our clients in US, in Canada, in EU, in Singapore, in African markets as well. I've been recently been working a lot with some of the good partners in Africa, in South Africa, Nigeria, and then helping the products getting into those markets as well. But yeah, I mean, it's just really a
How
fascinating.
is the ecosystem in India for development for startups in this
Yeah,
sphere?
it's growing. It's quite growing a lot, and I think it's been like evolving a lot in the last few years. And then there has been a lot of new startups have been coming up in the health tech, AI-enabled devices, and then that even the whole medical device regulations has been also been evolving in India, and then it's been coming up quite a lot. There's been new updates and new news regulations has been coming up almost every month now, and I think we are catching up. Regulations have been catching up with the US and EU regulations, and even the accordingly the manufacturers, the sponsors, stakeholders, they are also been kind of getting up to date with the regulations, and we as regulators, like the regulatory team, and we are also being up to date and also kind of learning day by day the new requirements, and then making sure that our clients are also kind of are in at par with the regulations, and they kind of be up to date with all the requirements that are coming up with.
Cool.
So yeah, it's been we
Is
are
the pros
catching
of
up.
a startup? And
Yeah,
when you come here, obviously at events like this, we have hundreds of startups. We have fledglings, and
yeah.
we're looking for people. I guess it's something you're looking for them too, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, yeah. I think here we in this event, MedTech event, has been really been very fascinating. Has been meeting a lot of interesting people from different background, good connects, and also being able to kind of talk to partners, different companies, and then it's been quite exciting, and then it's also exciting to see different type of products and different type of innovations that have been coming up. So I think that's where even we are also looking at kind of look to partner with these startups, and then help them kind of getting into the market faster, getting into the compliances faster, and then help them go through the whole jargon of regulatory, and then making sure they kind of get into the markets more faster pathways. Yeah.
Mentor, guide, accelerator.
Yeah, absolutely.
There are a lot of things in
Absolutely.
one.
Yeah.
Kalal, thank you for
Yeah.
being with us
Thank you
here.
so much. Thank you. Yeah. Very nice to have me. Yeah. Thank you.
Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.